Ok, bonjour tout le monde. Je vais vous montrer comment faire un projet d'art qui est planète. So today we're going to look at an art project where you create your own planet. And here are the materials that you're going to need. A Sharpie, preferably either white or metallic. Un crayon, a pencil. Des brosses, so some paint brushes, I have 3. Des peintures en couleur, so watercolor paints. And a piece of black construction paper. And finally, one piece of watercolor paper, which is heavier weight paper that you can use to put watercolor paints on. Et c'est tout. Okay, let's get started. So la première chose à faire, the first thing to do is to make a circle. On a besoin d'un cercle. Moi j'ai un frisbee et je vais tracer un cercle. C'est pas exactement la bonne taille. It's not exactly the right size, but it's going to have to do. Here we go. So, maintenant, j'ai découpé la planète et so I cut out the planet. Now I'm going to have to decorate. I'm going to paint my planet. Notice I've got a piece of paper underneath my planet in case I paint anything around the planet. I don't have to paint my table at all. Et voilà, créer une planète. Ok, ma planète est finie, je pense. So when you're happy with how your planet looks, you have to let it dry. So I'm just going to let this dry and then I'll show you the next step. Alors, quand tu es content avec l'état de ta planète, il faut laisser le sécher complètement avant de commencer avec la prochaine étape. Ok, la prochaine étape, pendant que la planète est en train de sécher, c'est de créer des étoiles. Je vais faire ça avec mon stylo métallique. So the next step, while you're waiting for your planet to dry, was to make some stars. And I'm just going to use my metallic Sharpie to do that on my black stars. Okay, j'ai mes étoiles, I've got my stars, my planet, c'est sec, so my planet is dry. And the last step is to glue your planet onto your stars. You can use regular white glue for this. Important to let this dry, and then you're all finished. Une planète. You can make as many of these as you want. They're relatively straightforward to make. And there we are.